everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did the now who they Zuzu, now who they Calavante. Oh, my morning view. Yes, I always call you guys my morning view. My morning view area. Now who did the now who they shell and now who they Calavante. That is my intro. How are we all doing? All my morning view. I hope you guys are doing well. I bring our sister, the billionaire wife, Ned, the one called Regina. Regina. He shutterized us with a step of dance. The people they ask her, they continue to ask her, undermine. She don't drop 2 children, for her husband, Ned, the one called. You guys, we remember that one of our actress we know as Regina Daniel, she got married to an old papa we call daddy. In fact, I'm loyal, Nedwoko. Daddy Nedwoko, I'm loyal. Daddy Nedwoko, I'm loyal, but I can call you our in-law because I'm older than Regina Daniel, but I still put that respect. Our beautiful sister Regina Daniel, I would like us to see the dance, the step of dance. Then if they give me copyright, I will mute that part. Oh yeah, let's watch that part.
But if you enter inside the phone man walking, I got to the pass to die. Go to the money no yeah. Anywhere you go, because that's the money go like you. Hey,
my people, I hope you guys watch that part. Then she now dropped this statement on the post. She said, I played this soundtrack more than a considerable amount of time, repeatedly, besides my husband. She put Hey, my people, me una collect am the way I pronounce anyhow. Me una pronounce am. Me una read una for there. Naija. Oh, she said she played this track many times beside her husband. Who dey zuzu, make you dey zuzu. Who dey carry head, dey carry head. Who dey vex, make you dey vex. So she's enjoying her husband. Then she go further. She said he laughed. She said her husband. I hope you guys are see 2 of them. When money dey, friend go there. When money no dey, no friend. When money dey, love go there. When money no dey, no love. Oh, I know one girl, Regina Daniel. We call this one love. But she's enjoying her husband though. Me, I don't have anything, but it's what she bring out. I'm reacting on. He laughed and asked why I was playing it. Her husband laughed. Just because of this track, this sound, her husband laughed. Then her husband asked her, why are you playing this music over and over and over beside her husband? Hey, money. Hey, so guys, we said if I make money, women will love. In fact, women will women will run after me. It's true. If you are a guy there, make money. Money is good, but don't let any woman to put you in pressure. Be you. Woman who will love you will love you. Woman who will love you for your money. What about the money left? I remember my prophet T.B. Joshua. May he so rest in peace. He said, physical beauty. You marry a woman just because of physical beauty. What about something that happened to that physical beauty? What will be the end? Okay, you marry somebody just because of money. What about the money left? It leave. Money, rich can go. Rich can go at any time. But if you marry a woman just because of inner beauty, that is the best. If you marry a husband, he don't have, but he give you peace, rest of mind. Don't worry. God bless you. It will come one day. Then he said, should I tell him? She put question mark. Now you know whether you will tell your husband. Now you know whether you not tell your husband. Sugar dey your teeth. you are licking it. We happy for you, happy for you. As far as you are happy in your marriage, who am I? But if they ask me, my people, I will never change my mouth. I will never change my word. Nnedi Nwoko was too old for you. Just because of the kind of life you love to live. You know, if you marry your age mates, you can't live that kind of life. You know, if you don't marry Ned, you can't live this kind of life that you are living. This is the life you love to live. And you see it. And who am I? As far as you are happy, I'm happy too. Of comments with Dale. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful billionaire van. Based on her caption, her husband no fine for physical, but normally e fine based on money and sweetness living. That they said, according to the way me see it, it's like people always ask Regina why he got married to old man. Get married to old man. This man, when he got married to Regina, Regina was 18 years. This man was over almost 16 years. Yes. Then people are still, some people, no matter what you do, they will still keep talking that statement. Then Regina now come out to down that if her husband was old. Okay, my phone just full. Okay, my people, according to the whole thing, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Drop your own opinion. What do you think? For me, if Regina, you are happy with your marriage, who am I to judge you? As far as what you choose, and but for me, all the whole thing is because the man is rich, is a billionaire. According to you, you still put it. If your husband is not beauty in physical, there is catch, not inside, but his catch make you to stay there. If Nnedi Nwoko is not rich, he's not a billionaire, I don't think you will calavante with him. But we should not still forget, it's good we put ourselves in the place that we always find happiness. If Regina find happiness, many of us who always talk about her, but we should let her breathe. We should let her breathe. We should let her to drink water and drop cup. But it's good if you are a young girl, you want to embark on this kind of journey, be very careful. What favor Regina can't favor you. Don't imitate. Struggle with youth like you. One day God will do it. If youth like you already get money, God already bless him before he see you. Stay with him. Don't look at sugar daddy, those things. For me, it's questionable. But as far as Regina Daniel, she is comfortable with her sugar daddy, her sugar husband. Who are we? Who are you to talk? Man that is older than how many years? I don't know, my people. It's her choice. She says she's happy. If her husband almost fine, could make her to fine. My people, that is all. I don't know if I end it well because my phone off. I a little bit distracted. Yes, and my children, they are back home. I need to attend to them. Yes, Nana. Leave your opinion. This is our sister Regina Daniel. Her latest dropping. Say Moki not fine, but him mama like him. If her husband not fine, but her husband get kudi, no marry man because of kudi. No marry man because of beauty. Marry man because of inner beauty, respect, rest of mind. Yes, that is the best. Okay. See, I meet you in my next video. Drop your own opinion. What do you think? For me, that should leave Regina to be. Now she's a mother of two. Yes, she choose what she wants. She choose her husband she wants. Yeah, for me, if I even react about her video, I don't mean anything bad. I don't mean anything harm. I don't wish her bad. As far as she's already married, have child with this man. We're not supposed to be, see, betraying her. Let her be, but it will not stop me to not be reacting. Sugar, now who did the omo? See, I meet you in my next video. Do what you like this video. Anything you think, let me know in the comment section.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's you the talk. my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get both like the Baba.